spent my life searching for the answers that my father and my father's fathers failed to find.
This bandicoot will be my general. This time I shall reign triumphant.
It sure don't look friendly.
How? When? Where? Why?
We're in the future, Dax.
Surrender and die!
Don't you mean surrender
Or die?
Stay fuzzy. Save the world. Choices.
Are you ready, Jack? We have something to show you.
What?
The universe.
What do you say we try this again? My friends call me Sully.
Nathan Drake. Nate.
Drake, huh? Okay. I see great things in our future, kid. Great things.
All men dream, but not equally.
Sic parvis magna?
Greatness from small beginnings. It was his motto.
I always felt that we were destined for something great. But this... one's unfinished work.
Those who dream by night, in the dusty recesses of their minds, wake in the day to find that it was vanity.
Sarah. Danny.
But the dreamers of the day are dangerous men. For they may act their dream with open eyes.
I need something smuggled out of the city.
Jesus Christ.
Just cargo, Joel.
No more talking.
Can't be any worse out there. Can it?
I need you on this one.
It's different this time. I have to save him.
If you're done lying to me, then you should stop lying to yourself.
I think I am a monster. But you're no different from me, Drake.
What happens now?
How far are we gonna take
As
this?
far as it needs to go. Give me your arm. This was 3 weeks. I was bitten an hour ago, and it's already worse. This is fucking real, Joel.
Here's the thing, kid. We don't get to choose how we start in this life. Real greatness, it's what you do with the hand you're dealt.
Bring you the cure from mankind, and you wanna play the pissy little brother?
No. You can't just give up. If you let these bastards win, after this, I will never bloody forgive you.
No matter what it is, you're supposed to come to me so that we can work through it together.
Let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, I had somebody that I cared about. And in this world, that sort of shit's good for one thing. Get you killed.
How's it that you're never scared?
Who says that I'm not?
Come on, admit it. You love all this as much as I do.
No.
We're not those kids anymore. We're not. And we got nothing to prove.
World doesn't care. You stick your neck out, you are asking to lose your head.
Well, I'm sorry. I trust him better than I trust myself.
Stop with the bullshit. What are you so afraid of?
Last I checked, we're all a bunch of thieves digging around where we shouldn't.
How'd you do it?
was her.
Hold on! It's me, okay? I am quitting.
You're just gonna forget about the treasure and forget about Drake?
God damn it, this is not worth dying over. It was always ours. I left my life for you.
I want to see him pay more than you do. But that's not how it will end. This is how it will end.
We don't have to do this. You know that, right?
After all we've been through. Everything that I've done. Can't be for nothing.
It's incredible. I'm sorry.
I struggled for a long time with surviving. No matter what, you keep finding something to fight for. Now,
Swear to me. Swear to me that everything that you've said about the Fireflies is true.